Uh, Yesterday we have to discuss the software development and agile software project. Today we have to discuss this software development, a product development. Software product the development a process of the creative new product with some added value and features. It can be anything from developing an entire new project or upgrading a existing product or improving the process technique or development methods is the system. These are the 7 steps to develop a project. First step is product idea generation. Second step is a requirement analysis. Third step is a product design. Fourth step is a product development. Fifth step is a integration and testing. Sixth one is the development. Seventh one is the maintenance. Next, software product or process. Software as a product, SAP, also a programming product, software product, is product software which is made to be sold to user and user pay for the license which allows them to use it in contrast to SaaS, where users buy subscriptions and where the software is centrally hosted. First, what is considered a new product development? The new product development is the NPD. In the process of the bringing a new product to the marketplace, your business may need to engaging in the is process due to changes in customer, increases competitions and advance in technology to capitalize on a new opportunities. What are the types of product development? Types of the product development is the new product developments can be divided into a 4 major categories. First one is a new to the company, improvement of the existing product, extension product line, and new to the market. Next one is the basic type of the software product as the business needs. System software product, system softwares programs manages the resources of the computer system that helps simplify application programming. They include software such as a operating system, database management system, networking software system, and a translator and software utilization. Utilize programming software products. What is the programming software product? Is the programming software also known as the development tools such as the compilers, text editors, debuggers, linker, and programmers to set a programs which help the software developer in creating a debugging and manifesting other programs and apps. Next one is the application software products. Application software products is the application or product that can be used to perform tasks. Famous examples of the application software or data management software, office productivity sites, media players, and etc. 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 Then last one is the embedded software products. Embedded system software products are used to control machines and devices through telecommunication networks, industrial robots, cars, and more. Steps of the following product development, the process plans. These are the 7 steps are there. The process plan. First one is the ideation and planning. Everything starts with a great idea, but that idea needs to be carefully through over in the order to be executed. Careful planning is the first and foremost step of the software product development, as it presupposed deciding the scope of the project, explaining means and ways of the new software system to meet business models, objective, cost related issues, resource availability, and the timelines. Next one is the second one is the requirements and feasibility analysis. During this stage of software product development, the project is denied in detailed analysis of and how the project feasibility is carried out to building a accessible solution. Catchy designs and uh, clean code are not enough. The first need to developers to get the depth understanding of the project objective and requirements. Requirements and feasibility analysis, so all the technical as well as economical aspects that affect the software development process. It helps identify the risk and beginning so that risk mitigation strategies can be worked out. Next one is design. What is the design? First of all, the you have to develop your own project. You have to design the some various ideas and to develop the tool. First of all, the design is the main thing. Design the software product design is permitted as per the development process. The actual concept let's say of the software system is the creating during the design stage. That is structured software architecture meeting a specific project equipment created. Development and coding. What are the development coding is the first step. Design the development stage is all about the writing a code and turning designs documentation into the actual software within the software product development process. This stage development is the longest as it the backbone of the whole process. The software developers make sure that code meets the software requirements, specifications, conforms to the stakeholders' requirements. And the next of all, the following the certain criteria used in Agile software. Fifth one is integration and testing. Integration testing now that the software is developed and completed, the next step involves the integration started to system design, the quality assurance. Team conducts a service testers including a functionality testing and interoperability along with the user acceptance testing. This is the make of clean and business goals of the solution are met. Sixth one is the implementation and the development. Step-by-step procedure based on the implementation plan. The the newly built and tested software system is moved to the transfer the specific change of deployment. The last one is the operation and maintenance. The very last phases of the software product development life cycles involves regular updates and maintenance of the software product. This step is the utmost attention since during this stage product is polished and gets upgraded and fine tuned according to the real world feedbacks on its perform within the stage. Next, this topic we will conduct the tomorrow sections. Thank you.